In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Google Forms public quickly and easily. If you've created a form using Google Forms and you're ready to share it with a wider audience, making it public is essential. Follow these steps and you'll have your form accessible to anyone with the link in no time. Let's start by navigating to Google Drive. Your Google Drive is essentially your hub for all Google Work applications, including Forms. Once you're at your Google Drive, look for the Apps icon, which is typically on the left side panel. Clicking here will provide you with quick access to all Google apps. A drop-down menu will appear. From it, select Forms. This will take you to your Forms dashboard, where all your forms are conveniently organized. Now locate the specific form you want to make public. Simply click on it to open it up for editing. With the form opened, your next step is to navigate to the Share option. You should find this option prominently displayed in the settings or toolbar of your open form. By clicking here, you'll start the process of adjusting who can see and respond to your form. Once you've opened the sharing settings, look for the access settings. You'll want to change the form's access to anyone with the link. This setting is crucial, as it shifts the form from being private to public. Keep in mind that selecting this option means anyone with the link can view and respond to the form, so make sure you're comfortable with this level of accessibility. After changing the access settings, you'll need to confirm your choice by clicking the Done button. This ensures that your settings are saved and your form is now public. Before you finish, make sure to click on the Publish option just to make sure that all sharing settings are properly applied and your form is live. Finally, depending on your form's version, you might need to manage permissions further by clicking Manage and then double checking and setting the form's access again to anyone with the link. This double confirmation helps ensure that the settings stick. Finish this process by clicking Done once more and make sure you save all your changes. And there you have it. Your Google form is now fully public and ready to be shared. For best results, distribute the form link strategically to your intended audience, making sure to communicate clearly what you want from them. This ensures an efficient and productive engagement. We hope this was helpful and invite you to come back for more Google Workspace tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.